My name is Simo. I'm designer of value creation. Estanc is a heavy industry for process equipment. We are doing, let's say, heat exchangers, different types of them. We are doing gas scrubbers, lot of different type of vessels. We have a lot of different types PEMA solutions or products in our workshops. We have column booms. We have assembly line with rollerbeds with hydraulic movement, and also a lot of different types of rollerbeds. We more automized our production with PEMA, so we are not doing so much anymore by hands. And the next step for us is to go one step forward to buy, for example, the robotic stations.
The benefit to us is better working process and also less work hours. We and PEMA have quite good future vision, and I think we help each other also. Let's say we can make more turnover, we can earn more money, we can grow, and so on and so on. It's very easy to work with PEMA. I feel very pleased. As I'm working with my friends, it's very easy to communicate. PEMA finds solutions